Fucking hell! Jesus fuck!
Как вам? Это караул.
In the trending town event, the city of Belgorod, Russia has adopted by a relentless storm, leaving residents in a state of shock and away. With the darkest skies and forest wind, nature and releasing fury upon this tranquil city, disrupting everybody's life and stunting emergency service into high degree. The storm was stuck every day afternoon, caught residents off guard as it rapidly intensified tempestuosa force, with wind gusts exceeded 100 kilometers per hour to receive previously debris-littered the streets, creating those conditions of resistance and motorists alike. The howling streets seemed to be accompanied by an incessant downpour and diesel showers of changeling the city infrastructure. Local authorities watched to the time immobilized their resources, ensure safety as well as banned to the cities. Emergency response teams were dispatched to various locations, working tirelessly to clear fallen trees, secure those objects and restore order to the city. They were silenced until the community were advised as neighbors learned to happen and to the another displacing the spirit of Belgorod, the face of adversity.